Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. Just a quick DIY tip for you. It's something which is quite basic but it might help somebody out. Now this afternoon I've got a little bit of electrical work to do, very basic stuff, and basically when I started boarding over these ceilings I removed the pendant lights in all of the rooms. So, you know, as you can see there's a number of wires there. I've got to reconnect the pendants, if I can remember what I've done with them. They're knocking around somewhere. I think they might be next door actually. But anyway, so the point is the fact that it's October here in the UK and it starts to get dark around about 4 o'clock-ish, and even before that time it's, you know, very sort of overcast and gloomy anyway, so there isn't a tremendous amount of light around, and in this property, you know, there is no lighting at the moment upstairs. So one of the things which you'll notice is the fact that I've got a head torch on my head. Now these are absolutely invaluable. It's always, you know, worthwhile having a little torch or a little lamp knocking around anyway, but head torches are particularly invaluable because they mean that you can work basically hands-free. So you don't need a particularly expensive one. This is a Petzl one, so it is on the more expensive side. Is it better than any of the cheaper ones? Quite frankly, I don't know, because, you know, I haven't had anything to compare it with. I've always gone for Petzl. And so this is a Tika XP2. I don't even know whether they still make these, to be honest with you. They might do. So yeah, it's one of the more expensive ones. I've taken this camping and I absolutely love it. Like I say, whether it's more reliable than some of the cheaper ones, I don't know, but that'll be for you guys to decide. But anyway, the point is this, that it's getting darker. I'm going to be doing a little bit of basic electrical stuff. Now, I am not an electrician, so what I always do, this is just a little tip for you guys, it might seem like obvious common sense to you, but whenever I'm doing something unfamiliar and I need to put it back together again, I always take a photo from several different angles, just so I can see what I need to do to put the thing back together again so it works properly. And as you can see, there are a few wires there. They need to go in a particular place, and I can't remember, you know, where they need to go, quite frankly. I boarded over these ceilings several weeks ago. Can't remember where the wires are supposed to go. So this is a very valuable reference point indeed. So look, just a quick sort of tip then, just to share with you guys. I know it might sound a little bit basic. It's sort of like, you know, a very simple thing, but it's something which might help you guys out, which might help you guys out. And at the end of the day, I like to think that you know, if we can share stuff on YouTube, it might help somebody. Okay, thank you for watching. Now once again, before we do anything electrical, and yes, I know it's obvious for most people and a bit of basic common sense, however, we need to make sure the electric is turned off. Okay, boom, sorted. So that one's in. And it looks as if the brown one goes in the end there. So let's put that one in. Right, hopefully that's sorted in. Okay, so press that down. Push that back up there, so hopefully that's what it should look like. Like that. And then should, let's push that there. secured like that. I think, yeah, that should be, surely, for this.